Hello guys, I'm back and I have some information of the mods in the workshop. They added a tons of mods. First mod for the workshop. It's a builder. Here's the 3 mods: a builder, PC man, and whatever this dude is. Oh, and a plague doctor. They added doors mods in the workshop figure: Seek, Jack, Glitch, and Screech. And now they added a hamster to go along with the hamster cage. And also a graffiti man. I don't know where is the bat for him. Next is an interceptor. Why is he bulked up?
Where is it?
Where's the dot?
There it is.
The deflator guys, 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 the deleter guys.
Okay, we got deleted melon, pumpkin, corn, and apple. Okay, that's all of the information.
Bro,
What do you want?
you forgot about the saves in the workshop, Yador.
What do you mean?
Replay the video, you have not showed any saves in the video.
Oh, I forgot.
See, you dumbo.
Okay, first save in the workshop is Adenosaur Skeleton. It's like a museum, and you can also find Thesa in the museum. Next is a train thingy thing. I don't know. What is it? But it can go forward and backward. Next is Lamb 3. And no, it's not the gun, it's the car. This is pretty detailed.
Why won't the car start? 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 Why won't...
That's all, bye-bye.
Bro, show the old
I
ones.
did a before video.
Lear pants on
BLA
fire.
blah blah blah
I
spit
checked
out
there
your
was
nonsense.
not a single video
The
of
title
IT.
was What's New on
It even was your
18.0
channel.
Update Brew.